Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely crazy movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support to keep an eye on is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? And that would be if the price can stay up above 0014, which so far so good. It's done a great job of. With that being said, though, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 0014, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart is broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above it, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from a bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 0014, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers were sitting, nothing complicated here. The party stopped today up there at 0019. So 0019 will be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very nice movement today. Great volume, and not just a question of can the bulls start to build upon this momentum going forward. And that all revolves around chipping away at those higher bases and going through healthy consolidations. Because as long as you have higher lows being built over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So nice move today. We'll see if the bulls can build on this momentum or not next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.